I'm Stefanie Posavec. I'm a designer, artist, and author who works with data and creating interesting, informative experiences. I created the mural behind me, the inspiration for my project with Google Arts and Culture. My hope for the user of C in CMYK is that they just learn a little bit more about the CMYK printing process, but do it in a way that kind of brings them delight and joy.
We approached Stefanie and asked her to create something for the Exploratorium. She proposed this incredible mural for color field, which plays with a printing technique called CMYK, cyan, yellow, magenta, and black. Seeing is this incredible cooperative effort that happens between your eye and your brain. Our brains are designed to recognize patterns.
This camera experiment emulates the traditional CMYK printing process using Google AI to help you learn about the science of color while creating a custom poster. So first, you need to select or take a photo. Then Gemini is going to look at the image and then create a custom AI icon set. You can also zoom in and out and see how all the different colors and shades are made up. Then you can configure all the different customization options. Then, when you're happy with your artwork, you can finalize a custom poster.
This was also the first time that I was able to use Gemini to generate thousands of icons that users can use to create completely personalized experience. It's these tiny details that when you step back really help you see the bigger picture.